less.
Yo, what's up guys? My name is Corey. Welcome to my channel, Herb Balance TV. Here guys, I'll be showcasing a few of my recipes that I tend to use on a day-to-day basis with you guys. I've been a vegan now for 5 years. It's been a hell of an experience. It exposed me to a lot about myself that I didn't know. It exposed a lot I didn't know about my body, and just about general health in terms of how it's looked upon over here in the Western world. But as I said, my videos is mainly going to be short videos, just showing you how simple it is to maintain alkaline lifestyle, or what some would call now a vegan lifestyle, you know, or the Rastaman lifestyle, the Rastaman liberty. You see me? It's very easy, and as I said, if this is to help anyone that's looking to start the journey of, you know, better health, of looking after themselves, of, you know, exercising, putting the right fuel in their body. If you're at the beginning stage of your journey, or you're considering, or, you know, contemplating whether or not to you know, change your diet and to start looking after yourself, you know, I'm here to kind of help you along that journey and to advise you, because I feel like, you know, as human beings, we have unlimited potential, and living in this time that we're living in, it's easier to believe negative things than to believe positive things, especially about yourself. And I think that is based upon the fact that, you know, the world is not programmed in such a way that it is geared towards making you a better person, or geared towards, you know, helping you to become a better person, which I feel like each and every individual has this ability. So I'm just here today just to kind of help you along your journey and to contribute in a positive way as opposed to a negative way. And my way of doing that is to help you along the journey, to allow you to see that your journey is not as hard as you may think it is or it's gonna be. I'm just here to be that light, you understand? So yeah, let's get into the video. Herb Balance TV, let's do it. Boom. So the peanut punch consisting of some basic recipe. I'm using 2 different types of peanuts in my peanut punch for different reasons. These are the 2 nuts that I'm going to be using: walnut, Brazil nut. Walnut, great source of omega-3, promotes a healthy gut. Brazil nut, as you know, it provides healthy fats, so you get all of your fatty acids. If you're someone who's working out at home right now during the quarantine, you know, the Brazil nuts is going to be one of those things that you want to put in your body. It supports good brain function as well. Brazil nuts, it promotes healthy brain function. And of course, we're going to be using Hempseed as well. Again, another great source of omega-3 and omega-6. It's a great source of iron, zinc, calcium, sulfur. The list goes on. You know, Hempseed is one of those things that everyone should have in their kitchen, along with other stuff like sea moss and red tape, you know. But Hempseeds definitely, it's one of my first go-to when it comes to working out. Anytime I work out and I just want to put something back in the body that I know is going to build me up a certain way, Hempseed is going to be one of the first things I draw for. Also going to be adding some dates as well. Again, great source of energy. Natural, it's naturally sweet, you know, there's no need for the artificial sugar. I'm going to be adding a splash of vanilla extract in there. The last thing that I'm going to add in the peanut punch is just a teaspoon of Macca powder. Macca powder, great for energy. Great for energy, increases your testosterone, and again, it's something you're going to want to use if you're working out or if you're doing anything physical, you know, I use it. You can even drink it. You can drink it as a cup of tea. It keeps you going. Alright, so I've put together all of the nuts and seeds that I'm using: the Hempseed, the Brazil nut, the walnut, and a couple dates. So basic ingredients, all in my calabash, yeah? And as I said, I'm gonna be using some almond milk, which I'm gonna go and fetch from the fridge now. What else am I gonna add in there? And last not least, I'm gonna be throwing a teaspoon or tablespoon. Nah, I put a teaspoon in because I don't want it to take over the flavor too much of the peanut punch. So yeah, we're gonna add a teaspoon of the Macca powder. I also forgot to mention that I'm gonna be adding 1 banana to the mix as well. Give it a consistency, a smooth but thick consistency, not too thick. So yeah, I'm gonna be adding a banana. This is the milk that I'm gonna be using. Just some almond milk. So yeah. Alright, so basically I just blitzed out all of the nuts and seed along with the milk. Peanut punch is pretty much ready. It's ready to go. I am gonna now add my Macca powder. As I said, just half a tablespoon or 1 teaspoon. You don't want to add too much because you don't want to have too much energy with nothing to do with it, because that's what Macca does. It provides you with energy. So I'm just gonna add just a little bit, and then I'm gonna blend it, just a slow blend, just to mix it in, and then that's it. It's good to go. You know, feed your muscles the right things, feed your body the right things, feed your mind the right things. Smoothie's ready now. Up. Peanut punch is ready now. Yeah. Yeah, that's pretty much it, you know. Easy recipe. As I said, you can't go wrong. Walnut, Brazil nut, hemp seed, dates, banana, pinch of vanilla extract, and you're good to go. Oh yeah, don't forget the Macca. Yeah, so guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick video. We'll be making more video in the future. You know, definitely will be improving upon the content that I'm going to be putting out there. So I hope you enjoyed this video, sharing my peanut punch recipe. Easy recipe to follow, packs loads of benefit for the body. You know, it keeps you going, keeps you focused, keeps you on your target, on your goal, you know. And of course, it's in memory of our ancestor, Dr. Sebi. You know, he done set the foundation for I and I. And I just wanted to share that with you guys. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did enjoy it, please feel free to share, subscribe to the channel to keep up to date with all of my latest videos. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Rastafari.